What? They changed their diesel prices. Shout out to Gas Buddy. That's what I use to find fuel. Decently priced fuel. God dang. Went up. It was $2.99 like last week, and now it's $3.19. That's a buzzkill. What? Not even a full tank. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just fueled up. I'm gonna go grab my boat. I didn't go early because I got up early yesterday to go fishing and hung out with the boys last night. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna go grab the boat. We're gonna go, and I've really been wanting to catch crappies, so, and I know they should be up right now, like spawning or close to spawning, or after, I don't know. I haven't been down there to confirm anything, so we're gonna go see what's going on. Hopefully I'll be able to make some fish tacos for lunch, maybe. You know, if we catch some, which we should, I hope. Should be fun. Oh, let's go see what we can't do. Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
Do you do tournaments and stuff?
Yeah. Yep.
Cool. Nice boat, man.
Yeah, thanks. She's old, but she does it.
That's what you need it to do, right?
Oh, yeah. We're here now. Just got here. Just launched. I'm out here. Water is 58 degrees. Surprisingly, no one's in my spot because the boat launch was packed. There wasn't even another spot to park. So, water is super clear, just like I remember it. It's like flat calm, so it's gonna be sweet. I'm gonna do some fight fishing. First thing I'm gonna do is get rigged up here. I don't think my rod's ready. I really don't have anything ready. So, I'm gonna hit the spot lock. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna try some different stuff from what I was fishing with last year. Last year out here I wrecked them on like green pumpkin with a little tiny bit of chartreuse on the end. This year I'm gonna try a couple other things because I have a little more crappie tackle with me than I did prior. So yeah, I don't know, we're gonna see what happens. I'd like to catch lunch, and then just gotta find them first. I don't know how deep they're gonna be, so let's go. I can't tell you how much I love spot lock, man. It is unbelievable. It's so nice. Alright, so we're gonna get spinning rods out. That's what I'll start with. So put this right here. Alright. Good old trusty beetle spin. And my crappie jig. So we're gonna set these over here where I usually keep my spinner rods. And we're gonna go to work. I saw a crappie, he was right over here. Oh, I got a bass going at me. Maybe. Oh, there's a crappie. You see him down there? I don't know if you can see him. See if he'll bite this or if he's interested. So many fish here, man. Big sunnies down there. What the heck, man? They're everywhere. Little guy. Alright, I missed it, but I caught my first crappie. Very small, but he hammered it. So that's a good sign. There's another one. It's almost edible size. Maybe I'll throw them in the tank. So I caught both of those just reeling, like reeling high up in the water column above the weeds. Oh. Like that. Little male. He is little. That's 3. I'm going for 4 here. Here's 4. That's 4. First color combo that's worked this year. Orange and yellow head with a white pink twister tail, which is weird, but whatever. If they're gonna eat that, I'm fishing it. I have a clear glitter that wasn't working, so then I also tried orange and yellow, like the same color as the jig, but that didn't work either. Oh, it's a northern. It's a northern. Go back home, buddy. There are a ton of crappies right here. Look at all of them, man. Oh my god. It's like if they're on this side of the weeds, they don't want to eat. Go for the farther casts. Maybe you can get them just a reaction bite almost, you know. Big sunnies in here, man. They're really spooky. See, like at this point, I can just watch my jig because it's white. I can just watch it, and as soon as it disappears, I set the hook, you know? Makes it super fun because, oh, buddy. That one wanted it. Yeah, I can just watch it and come and just hammer it, and then it just disappears and set the hook. Super easy, like that. This is a keeper here. There, I got 3. That would be enough for lunch. I might even put one of them back. I really don't need that much, honestly. Dang, man. They're like in between. They're like in between being shallow and deep. Cause I catching fish out deep, but then they're also fish all the way up shallow already. So they're like, oh, little tiny one. He wanted it. He hammered that thing. So I'm just slowly working up. Actually, I'm on the edge of the weed line here. Really haven't seen any monsters yet. I wonder if they're still out deep. I don't know. Can't believe they're not more hungry though. I mean, they can see everything so nicely. There's one. Just a little. There's a decent one there. Decent. Yeah, he drilled it. That's a tank there. We're gonna put him back though. Put him back. First cast with twister tail. Alright, that was in open water. I wasn't above the weeds, so now I'm gonna try over above the weeds. Ooh, you can see some move there. I already felt something. Oh, there's a weed. Wow, nothing yet. I thought for sure they would hammer this thing. A little more crazy of tail action, you know. They seem like they're really spooky. Like, if I can see them, they're not biting, you know. Fish out in front of me now. And I don't know, this is just how I fish. I mean, you know, I tend to try to keep stuff away from the boat. Like, if they were biting really good, I'd be fishing right here. But since they're not hammering it, and they're really kind of boat shy, I'm fishing farther away from the boat. That bass was interested, so I'm just trying to stay out suspended above these weeds here, reeling fairly fast. I'm just tapping weeds now. Yeah, they're like really shy. I think that log has something under there. Oh, I can see a crappie right here. All right, ultimate test. I can see one, so I'll drop down right in front of him. See what he thinks. Not too interested. Oh, there's one right here. I'll drop down. No. Put in front of him again. Wow. I saw a couple decent bass here, so I'm just gonna try really quick to catch one of them maybe. A couple of them out here. Oh, what? Little. Saw my line swimming. Got the whole crew coming now. I got what I needed. I'm probably gonna leave here pretty quick. Go check one more spot before I leave this lake. Ooh, there's one. Oh, there's two from this spot. See you, bye, buddy. Another one? I think so. Yeah, I found this other spot. No, well, actually, I've fished this before, but not in about a year. Figured before I go I should stop and check it out though. I did go past it because there was someone sitting close to it, but then they left, so I moved into it. And there's a couple fish here. A few. Yeah, I don't know. They're not biting like crazy, so I'm gonna leave in a moment. I'm getting hungry though, so I'll make some lunch. I think it is noonish. felt him hammer it. Top of the mouth again. All right, well, I'm gonna go back and make some lunch, so should be good, but we'll see, I guess. Yeah, let's go have lunch. All right, well, I think we're where I want to make lunch. Quick Trip. Where's my... All right, let's go back here. I really like avocado, so a lot of people don't like them, but I don't know. Just frying some onions just to kind of test the grease, see where the grease is at. So we're laying the fish in there. All right, and then I got tortillas, so I'm gonna make a wrap. Make wraps, I should say, wraps. You could probably hear the freeway behind me, but still. That's looking pretty decent. Alrighty folks, let's wrap this thing up. Avocado, onion, mayonnaise, fish, cheese. Super good. Look at this. Oh. Super good. Alrighty, well, this might be a wrap for this video. It may not. You guys will see if, I guess, if it's not. Yeah. So, some of you guys might notice I don't have my graph on the boat. Well, I'm waiting to buy a Helix 10. I sold my 7 to a family friend. I took my 360 off for the day as well, just because if I wasn't gonna have a graph up here, then why would I have my 360 on? I mean, also it was crappie, like sight fishing crappies. Like, I don't need a graph for that. If you guys like the video, like, subscribe, comment, and this is Jarrett with Northern Tactics. See you, bye.